Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com. Today I'll show you how to crochet the brick stitch. It's a nice stitch that pretty much looks the same on both sides. To do this, I'm using worsted weight yarn and a size H crochet hook. To begin, use a color to serve as the mortar part. Chain 30 or any multiple of 4 plus 2. For row 1, single crochet in the second chain from the hook and in each chain across. At the end, chain 1 and turn. For row 2, single crochet in each stitch across. Before you finish the last stitch, change to a new color yarn. This new color will serve as the brick part. Do not cut off the blue mortar yarn, we'll just continue carrying it up the side for use later. For row 3, chain 1, turn, and single crochet in each stitch across. And for row 4, chain 1, turn, and single crochet in each stitch across. For row 5, bring up the blue yarn. Finish the last stitch, chain 1, and turn. Here's where we start doing the brick pattern. Single crochet in the first 2 stitches. In the next stitch, make an elongated single crochet 2 rows below. This helps serve as the mortar part in between the bricks. Make 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then we do our elongated single crochet stitch again. Make 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then follow it with an elongated single crochet stitch. Continue with this pattern across the row. At the end, you'll have just 2 single crochet stitches to match our 2 single crochet in the beginning of this row. For row 6, chain 1, turn, and make 1 single crochet in each stitch across. At the end, you can either bring up the previous brick color yarn to work with, or attach a new color for the next layer of bricks. For row 7, we're going to chain 1, turn, and just make 1 single crochet in each stitch across. At the end, chain 1, turn, and for row 8, make 1 single crochet in each stitch across. For row 9, we're going to bring up the blue mortar yarn again and use it to finish the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. So our very first stitch is going to be an elongated stitch, which is a little bit tricky since it's near the end. Then we make 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, as we have done before. In the next stitch, we're going to do an elongated stitch, which should line up with the middle of the previous row of bricks. And then we do 3 single crochet stitches. Followed by an elongated stitch to help separate the bricks and offset them from the previous rows of bricks. Continue making this pattern across the row. At the end, we'll end just like we started. We'll have the 3 single crochet stitches. Then we need to place an elongated stitch on the very end. And then for row 10, we're just going to chain 1, turn our work, and then make 1 single crochet in each stitch across. Going forward, we're going to continue in this same manner. You can use either the same color for the bricks or change to yet another color. And you'll do 2 rows of single crochet stitches for this layer of bricks. Switch over to the blue mortar color again. Repeat rows 3 through 10, ensuring that you are offsetting the mortar on each of the next set of blue yarn rows. Just remember to change colors every 2 rows. All brick rows are just single crochet, and the first row of each mortar row needs to be offset from the previous mortar row. And that's it. That's how I crochet the brick stitch. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.